ambush. All Republic forces, prepare for attack. Let's do it. Now, any chance we need to get our ship out of those tractor beams? Those cruisers are key strategic assets. If you can keep the Separatists off them, they'll deal out serious damage. Good timing! I'm out! Republic bombers inbound. Keep those clankers off them. See ya. That cruiser's taken a lot of damage. Defend it. Hull breach appears unavoidable. Get out of there! Free our cruiser. Disable those tractor beams. Our bombers have completed their attack run. That was some mishandling. Cruiser destroyed. You continue to surprise me. Behind you! Tractor beam's critical. Don't let up! Internal damage intensifying. And the bombers beginning their run. The tractor beams are down, brothers. Now, show them what clone troopers are capable of. It's time they learned a little respect. Keep them from calling reinforcements. Destroy that communications array. Separatist dreadnoughts have arrived. Take out the communications array. Can't afford for them to call in more. Kill confirmed. Light computer. Our bombers have arrived. Help them complete their attack run. Nicely done. Reinforcements. Disable their communications array. You require my aid. Bombers made it through. Good work. find their communications array. Blast them!
Taking some fire here!
May the force be with us.
Space of action advised!
Engaging the enemy. Only one cruiser remains. Destroy those generators. We don't want them calling for backup.
Threat eliminated! Careful!
Our cruisers are gone, but the battle can still be won. Keep taking out those generators. The communications array is almost done for.
Close to victory we are. Failed their efforts have.
Communication array destroyed. Let's clear the air of enemy fighters before we attack the heart of the ship. Brothers, the control tower goes. The blast doors will open, and the reactor will be vulnerable.
Let me out. Enemy for me. Attack! Generator!
Lock doors open. The reactor's exposed. Hit it with everything you've got before they get their shields back online.
There we go.
Enemy in pursuit.
Atomic bombers incoming. Escort them to their target.
Target destroyed. Damage in half.
out of there! Blast doors are closing seconds. We need to hit the control tower again.
Don't let up! I've got eyes on full damage.
Need to head back to base. Keep going.
Don't worry, I've got this.
Losing power.
Blast doors are open. Get in there and hit the reactor before they restore shields.
Oregon!
Stay still. You won't.
From the equation. Appreciate that.
Shields online. Get clear quick. The blast doors are closed. Target the control tower.
Making headway.
My aid, you no longer require. We use that.
Starfighter down. Keep the pressure on. This bike. Came in too fast.
This fight, I did not see. But when did I show?
The reactor can't take much more. We almost have this.
Increased thrust meter.
Strategic calculations can't beat know-how and ingenuity.